Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about radishes, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with radishes. So if you're looking for some different meal, menu, recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. We have almonds, beans in general, but especially fava beans, green beans, and white beans, chickpeas, crab, edamame, eggs, especially hard-boiled eggs, fish, lentils, pecans, pistachios, pork, sesame seeds, snow peas, sugar snap peas, and tofu. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that pair well with radishes include arugula, asparagus, beets, bell peppers, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, celery, cucumbers, fennel, greens, especially salad greens, lettuce being one of them, mushrooms, onions, radish sprouts, scallions, shallots, tomatoes, turnips, and watercress. In the way of fruits that pair well with radishes, there's avocados, lemons, limes, olives, oranges, and pears. In the grains and grain products category, there's bread, farro, millet, rice, and whole grains in general. In the dairy and non-dairy foods and products categories, there's butter, cheese, for example, blue cheese, cream cheese, jack cheese, feta, goat, Gouda, Gruyere, Parmesan and ricotta cheeses, cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's oil, especially olive oil, pistachio oil, sesame and walnut oils, salad dressings, soy sauce, tamari, and vinegar such as cider vinegar, rice wine, or white wine vinegars. I hope this helps to give you some new ideas. Take care. Bye for now.